Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to this new episode from Madrasatul Furqan, where we help you understand and recite the Quran with proper tajweed and confidence. Today we will learn something very important yet often misunderstood by many reciters, the Quranic stopping signs, also known as Waqf symbols. These are the signs you see while reading the Quran. Small letters or symbol above the letter that tell you where to pause, where not to pause, and when it's optional. Why are stopping signs is important? The Quran is the word of Allah. Reading it with correct pauses and stops is part of respecting and preserving its meanings. If we stop at the wrong place, the meaning may change. That's why scholars have placed helpful symbols to guide us during recitation. Let's look at the most common symbols. The first one, the circle, end of an ayah. It means the verse is complete here or the sentence is complete here. That's why now stop here. The second one is Meem, Waqf lazim, compulsory stop. Otherwise, meaning is changed. If you see this sign, you must stop here. Continuing may change the meaning. The third one is Ain, stop end of the section, and this is also called the Ruku sign as well. This is the Ruku sign. Number of Ruku and the Surah and middle, number of Ayah and the Ruku, number of Ruku and the Juz. The fourth one is twa, should stop end of a sentence, and this is called waqf mutlaq. It is better to stop but not compulsory. The fifth one is qif, better to stop. In Arabic, this sign appears where stopping is strongly encouraged because continuing might confuse or alter the meaning of the verse. The sixth one is Jeem, Waqf Jaiz, permissible stop. Can stop or continue. You may either stop or continue, both are allowed. The seventh one is Swad or Sili. When you recite the Quran, the symbol is Swad is short for Sili. This is Sili. And this is the short of Sili is a swad, which comes from the Arabic word wasal, to continue. Wasal means to continue. You can stop if need, but it's recommended to continue. It usually comes at a place where stopping would still preserve the meaning, but continuing would be smoother and better and flow. Now, number 8 is La. The La symbol in the Quran is short for La taqif. La taqif or La tuqaf. It's mean do not stop here, and look, better not to stop. La mean no, not, don't stop here. Ninth one is Mu'anaqa. Stop at the first or the second, but not at both. You will see two sets of three dots in a verses like this. This is called mu'anaqa in Arabic, which means embracing or hugging, because the two stops are linked. These paired dots tell you that you must stop at one of them, but not both. If you stop at the first one, you must continue through the second. If you skip the first, you can stop at the second. In today's videos, we just focus on recognizing these signs. Knowing what they mean is the first step towards correct Quran recitation. Inshallah, in our next video, we will explain how to stop on specific letter like Alif, Ha, Meem, how the sound change when you stop with real example from Quran. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Madrasatul Furqan so you never miss a lesson. Barakallahu feekum. Jazakallahu khair.